I am Emmanuel Cervantes.
I am Gabriela Chavez, and today we are going to cook chicken flautas.
The history of flautas. Flautas are a dish from Mexican kitchen. They come from Sinaloa originally. They have been eaten in Mexico since the time of the Aztecs. They are practical, simple, and delicious. They are corn tortillas, piled raw and fried. They are served this way to people do not get their with hands dirty while eating them. They are called flautas because they look like a flute. In Ciudad Victoria, Tamaulipas, flautas are made with flour, tortillas, and red not fried.
The ingredients are chicken, black pepper, sour cream, onion, layers, corn tortilla, chicken broth, avocado, salt, garlic, jalapeno, tomato, chopsticks, cheese, onion, and garlic powder.
Okay, the procedure is, the first step is wash the pan. The second step, we cook the kitchen. We left it, we unsalt it. And we unsalt it. Third step, to make the flautas, we heat the tortillas. Okay, we put the chicken inside the tortillas. We roll them and put a toothpick on there. We continue with the primary sauce. We cook the jalapenos and tomato. When the jalapenos or tomatoes are cooked, we put them in the blender. Later, we put a little bit onion, black pepper, garlic, just a little bit, okay? Garlic forward, a little bit too. This is my secret ingredient. And finally, salt. Put a little bit of butter and a little bit broth chicken broth. That's it. It's important that we know that we call this sauce is a primary sauce, okay? Now, let's grate the cheese. It's very important all the time, wash the dishes. Okay, we continue cutting the lettuce. It's very important to wash the lettuce well. To prepare our guacamole sauce, we are going to use, first, we add a generous amount of primary sauce. Later, put the sour cream. This is a general amount too. Later, add the avocado. In this case, we use 3 avocado because this is small avocado. Okay. Add the chicken broth for better sauce. Salt. And black pepper. Then go to the blender again. It's important add a little bit milk for better consistency, okay? To decorate our flautas, we cut some slices of tomato. Next, we are going to fry our flautas. Okay, we put our frying pan and then we put the oil to heat. Hot heat. Not a lot because it's important. It's important. Put a napkin to drain the flautas, okay? Okay, we proceeded to grill our flautas. When the flautas are golden, okay, we put here, turn to dry. Then we put them on the plate and we are going to decorate. First, we put the lettuce. It's for your election. We like a lot the lettuce, so put more. Later, we put the sauce or the guacamole sauce. It's delicious, this sauce, so I put a lot. Okay? The cheese is very important for these flautas. Put the cheese. And to the tomato. Don't forget the salt. And ready. This is our dish.